the ultimate money machine. Do you dream of never having to worry where your next lead is coming from? Imagine how successful your business would be if you could sit back and watch those leads roll in. You would have no more issues getting new clients, selling high-ticket services, or expensive product packages. Your business will grow effortlessly and hit your growth goals every time. You could also decide to focus on those marketing efforts that generate the highest spending clients or those with the longest client's lifetime value. Then your business would flourish and really do well. Sounds nice, right? If you are new to this channel, we regularly post tips about growing your business, attracting fully automatically your ideal clients to create a constant cash flow using our formula we call confident cash flow. If you are interested in content like that, subscribe to this channel and hit on that bell. At FairTech, we have created the Online Marketing Mastery Blueprint to help our clients know the next best step for them to grow or scale their business. We go through every point on each pillar in the Online Marketing Mastery Blueprint to outline the best next step forward. The blueprint contains all the touch points companies need online. You might already have some. Others may need to be created. Some may need improving. The blueprint serves as a roadmap to guide you easily through the stages of improving every pillar. We help you focus on what is going to make each step more profitable in the shortest amount of time. Our goal is to help you set goals and design strategies that monetize fast. The blueprint helps any business analyze what the next best step is. We've used it for over 2 decades to help our clients understand where they stand and how to improve the performance of their online marketing quickly and in a way that turns to cash speedily. If your business evaluates each pillar and understands which combination of the online marketing pillars will help you get to the next stage, your results will grow exponentially. Anyone can follow it. You don't need to be an online marketing expert. The blueprint shows you the pillars of online marketing. You need to combine your efforts in each pillar based on what you can afford and monitor to understand where your next best step lies. Getting better results will become an invaluable byproduct of your focus and weekly tasks. Once you see your actions turn into real, repeatable results, you'll feel unstoppable. As the founder, you will now benefit from the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. You can spend more time with your loved ones and do whatever you want, whenever you want. Let us show you how by contacting us to arrange a free consultation. You can find the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at Never Stop Fine-Tuning Your Strategy. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.